Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn dependencies. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So dependency injection refers to the mechanism where an object receives other objects that it depends on. The other objects are called the dependencies. Dependency injection has the following advantage. So dependencies in the fast API allow you to inject reusable code into the route handlers. They can be used for the tasks such as authentication, authorization, database connections, and more. Dependencies are the functions or the classes that are declared with depends decorator and injected into the route handler as a function parameters. So what exactly it is? Reuse the same shared logic, share the database connections, enforce authentication and the security features. How dependencies work? So let's have a look. Use the depends function from the fast API to declare dependency in your path operation function decorator with @app_get@post. Okay. Dependency callables. The argument to depends is callable object, okay, that retrieves or creates the dependency injection. Fast API injects the result of the dependency call as an argument to your path operation. Types of dependency: built-in and the custom. Fast API built-in dependencies like request, query, and the path to access the data from the HTTP request. Custom: you can create the custom dependency using the functions to perform complex logic and retrieve data from the external sources like the databases, cache, etc. So here we can see that we have created the dependency. So let's use it. So here you can see that from the fast API import depends. So here first the database connection. Now in the this is the current user. Okay. So which is returning this one, right? So use the dependencies in the route handlers. Okay. So this we have defined two functions. Okay. Now use the depends decorator to inject the dependencies in your route handlers as a function parameters, right? So here you can see that we have a depends get DB connections or current user depends, right? So depends on which one, get current user. Okay, so this is how the dependency injection will take place. Okay, so depend when the request is made to the items endpoint, fast API automatically calls the dependency function get database connection and get current user to retrieve the dependency values and injects them into the read items route handler. Let's have a look of that one. Just go like here. Okay, so this is, so we require these two functions. Yeah, let's define it. I think depends we have already added, right? Okay, this issues void wrap this, and here you can see that depends get database connection, so it returns the fake DB connection, and current user string depends on get current, it will return the fake user. If I just save this, run to the Swagger, what will happen? Let's try it out with the get request, execute. So here you can see that the dependency injection works. So whatever data we have in the functions, it is now in your routes, right? So this is how you can use the dependency injection into your fast API of Python. Any doubt, any query in that, you let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.